You are going to love the 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.